Hi guys, how are you? Christopher here. Today I just want to teach you guys how to fix any Razer device from glitching or not showing up on Synapse. In my case was my mouse. My mouse wasn't showing up for I say a good year because I've been trying to figure it out how to fix it, and I finally found out how to fix it, and it's actually pretty easy and simple. So basically, what you do, you just go and search, you put dev, go on device manager, then you go on mice and point devices and keyboards, and you realize here that, like, as an example, I have my mouse here and here, and I just go on both of them. You go on update driver, you go and browse from my computer, and you'll go and let me pick from a list of available drivers. And in my case, in my computer, the oldest one I have is this one. So you guys probably be different. It could be like 2016 or something. So you guys just press on it, and then next, and then just update it. You don't even have to close Synapse or anything. Do the same for this one, for the mouse as well. And you don't even have to close Synapse, and it'll just show up here straight away. And I hope I helped you guys. This was a pain, really painful for me because I wanted to regulate my DPI and stuff in my mouse for a good time, and I couldn't, and I finally sorted it out. So I'm actually pretty happy, and I hope to make your day better as well. So that's it, guys. Have a good one.